Well, hey there! What I like about the Chia Strawberry pudding is that it is a great source of protein as well as fiber, calcium and iron, and with the added strawberries or any other berries, a great source of antioxidants. So for this recipe I have plant-based milk, strawberries, chia seeds, medjool dates to sweeten, and then optional some vanilla extract. I have the full recipe list at the end. Enjoy your chia pudding with cereal, porridge, fruit, or just by itself. Here's a recipe from my cookbook, which is available on my website, speakingwellness.com. Thanks for watching, and share and subscribe.